We are here at a brand new hotel here in Fixtures called the NICEST. And check our way up here. Wait for it. Nice. Really? Come on. I do not like when you put the wood floor side in.
Big floor.
Okay.
I have not heard that voice before.
Going down.
That's a new Kone voice.
The beepers. Watch the error leave. Bye. Like this.
Feel it?
That's a high-pitched one too.
First floor.
Yeah, that's a new. I have not heard that voice.
Huh. Want to take another ride?
Yeah.
Yeah, I hate that thing. Move that do not overflow sun. It's a nice cab. Really nice. These are really nice. I was surprised by Kone.
Fifth floor.
Fifth floor.
Send us down.
Going down.
And they have the wiggle lanterns out here. See her? Here's this one. That's a rear door. Look at all these buttons here.
Going down.
Cool, locked. Cool, look at that. Okay, that's neat.
First floor. Going up. Big floor. Going down.
Arrow, cool.
Going down.
There goes the arrow. Nice buttons. Good job, Kone. I'm very, very impressed. This is really nice.
First floor.
Kone is stepping up in the elevator department game.
Going up.
Look at that.
Going up.
Yeah, I know you're going up. This is the old train map here. There it goes. Cool. Right over here, we have this nice old train map from when trains used to be very, very popular. Very cool. I like this place. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.